What you're about to watch is actually a segment from a larger video we have explaining how to paint anything that's really hard and glossy, like barker board, glass, or steel. And this portion focuses on how to install caulking like a pro, so it's nice and smooth and really easy.
It turns out there is an easy way that I just didn't know about, and I'm going to show it to you right now. It's called tape and spoon. So what you want to do is tape. Use painter's tape, very close to the edge, don't leave a big gap. Okay, so once you've got it taped down, use your caulking. Of course, you should be using silicone kitchen and bath, anti-mold, anti-mildew stuff, which is what I've got here. And it doesn't make any difference whether it's coming from a gun like this or a little tube that you buy. Just depends on how much you have to do. And what you should do is just squeeze it in. Actually, this is going shockingly better than it usually does for me. Even just this. I just can't seem to keep it even pressure. And don't worry about it being a bit chunky, because we're going to smooth it out. The two keys are the tape and the spoon. So use a plastic spoon. Make sure it has water on it, because just trust me, you need to make sure there's water on it. And what you do is just push it in and apply pressure. You want to squish it in there. And it'll build up on the spoon, and that's just fine. And then immediately pull the tape off. If you don't, the surface tension, there will be surface tension that gets built up on the caulking right away, and you don't want that. You want to be able to break that beforehand so that it can lay down a little better. And while that is not 100% perfect, it is very, very good. So here's an interesting situation where it's mostly flat. So how do you do that? You turn your spoon sideways. So you get your little plastic spoon here, and you just turn it sideways and push it along. All right, so let's take a look at it. Here's the finished work.